Okay, so here we want to find the average rate of change. So we don't necessarily know what the graph looks like, but we know the formula for average rate of change. It's f of x sub 2 minus f of x sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. That's how you find the average rate of change. Now they have to give us the range, the x values. So I'm going to make this first one x sub 1 and the second one x sub 2. They don't say that. They just say from x equals 1 to x equals 2. But it'll help me when I go to write this if I write it that way. Okay, so x sub 1 is 1 and x sub 2 is 2. So f of 2, using the formula here then, that's going to be 2 minus f of 1 over, and then it's just going to be down in the denominator, 2 minus 1. Okay, now we have to find f of 2. That's where the function part comes in. So if we want to find f of 2, I can do this over here on the side. Minus 2 over 2 squared, that's going to be minus 2 over 4, which is negative 1/2. Okay, then I'm going to have negative 1/2 in the numerator. And then I have to subtract, so I'll put a minus sign. Now that's the minus sign right there, okay? Now I need to find f of 1. And I go back to my function. It's going to be minus 2 over 1 squared, which is going to be just minus 2. So remember, you have the minus from the formula, and then you're plugging in a minus 2 for f of 1. Now the denominator there, 2 minus 1, we know that's just 1. Okay, so I'm out of room. Doesn't mean we stop the problem. Okay, so denominator of 1, I don't have to worry about that. Negative 1/2 plus 2, so that's going to be what, 3/2 or something? Okay, you can get a common denominator though. So negative 1/2 plus 4/2, which is going to be 3/2. I would just leave it as an improper fraction. Okay, very good.